Hello everyone, this is Mr. Delicious and welcome once again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mr. Delicious, the traveling tutor and coach, and I am still continuing my video tutorial mathematics subject for the grade 10 students who are going to sit for their national examination in October. So this is a continuation of what we have started for the past exam paper 2010. Welcome back again. And now let's proceed to, last time we have answered question number 12, and this is the solution, the working out for question number 12. So, of course, let's continue, and we are now on to question number 13. Okay, so let me first erase question number 12, and let's now proceed to question number 13. Okay, so what do you think is the topic in question number 13 that we are going to answer for this video here? Okay, question number 13, and get ready guys. Let's have paper 2010 mathematics for grade 10. And we are now on to question number 13. Okay, so this is the question number 13. Let me show it to you so that you will be guided on what you're going to. So this is under the part A of 2010 mathematics past exam paper, and this is the question. So what is the question? Here is the diagram shows an isosceles right angle triangle on a set of axes. So what do you notice here? This triangle here is called an isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? An isosceles triangle is a triangle wherein two sides are equal. So if you look at this one, it's a right angle triangle here, but since it is an isosceles triangle, then this side here and that side over there, okay, they are both equal since it is an isosceles triangle. So if the measurement of this length here is 4, therefore the other side also will be 4. That makes a triangle as an isosceles triangle. But then the question here in this question number 13 is, what is the equation of the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse in a right angle triangle is the longest side opposite to the right angle triangle. So this is the right angle triangle, therefore the opposite side is the hypotenuse. So you have to be very good at identifying which side of the right angle triangle is a hypotenuse. A hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angle triangle which is opposite to the right angle triangle. So that means that it is referring to this line here. Okay, that's the one. Let us redraw this one. Okay, this is the axis. That's the axis over here. And this is the right angle triangle. And this is the line. Okay, and this line is -4. It is -4. It is because it is on the downward side. And this one doesn't have a measurement. But then since this triangle is an isosceles triangle, therefore the two sides are equal. So this is a symbol of sides that are equal. Now if you look at this one here, this is measurement here. The length is 4, and then the length on that side also must be 4. So in your rough paper, you can do anything and you can label the values of the side. Okay, now this is the one that we are asked to find, this hypotenuse here. This hypotenuse is a straight line. Okay, the equation of a line is written as y is equal to mx plus c. That is the equation of the straight line. This is an equation of a straight line. what are the requirements for you to write the equation of a straight line? You need the gradient, okay? That one is called gradient, or also known as the slope. This letter C here is known as the y-intercept. The y-intercept of the line, meaning that this straight line here, which is the hypotenuse, passes through the y-axis, and that is -4. So we now have the value of our C, which is the C is -4, as it is clearly shown here in the diagram that it is it passes through the negative axis along the y-axis. Now our problem now is to find the gradient, okay? To find the gradient of this hypotenuse here. So the gradient is, remember that the gradient of a line is equal to rise divided by run. Okay? This rise is for the y, and then the run is for the x. So we have here our rise. So this part here, we can also draw it from the side, and you can have it here. So this is the rise divided by the run. Okay, so rise is 4. Therefore, we substitute m is 4 divided by the run, which is also 4. Thus, our gradient is equal to 1. Now, take note, when you are calculating the gradient, you will either put a positive sign of that value of the gradient or a negative sign depending on how the line sloped. If the line sloped to the right, just like this one, this line here, it slopes to the right, then the sign of our gradient is positive. However, on the other hand, if this line slopes to the left side here, then you will now attach a negative sign indicating that the line slopes to the left. So, it will not show the sign of the gradient when you calculate using this formula. So, take note, therefore, this hypotenuse here, we are in the line slopes to the left, to the right, will now have a positive sign. So therefore, our final answer now, for the equation of this hypotenuse is equal to y equals 1x minus c, or simply y equals x minus, this c has now the value of -4. So -4 and -4, and therefore y is equal to x minus 4. Therefore, from the options now, A, B, C, D, E, looking at this one, the option that gives us the answer, the equation of the line from our calculation is letter B. The letter B is y equals x minus 4. Okay? So you get it now? So this is question number 13, and I hope that you are following, and please continue, and I hope that this video tutorial of mine, wherever you are here in Papua New Guinea or in the Philippines or in the world, please be guided with this tutorial of mine. I'm trying to help you. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Mr. Delicious, the Traveling Tutor and Coach, and of course, watch all my videos to help you. Okay, that's all for now, and question number 14 will follow. Tata!